Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen from the Getting You Home team at Royal LePage Signature, and we are once again in our favorite neighborhood, Sawmill Valley Mississauga. We are thrilled to be presenting this charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, which has been renovated, close to all amenities, including Credit Valley Hospital, University of Toronto Mississauga, Square One Shopping Centre, and all major commuting routes. You are not going to want to miss the opportunity to live in this spectacular neighborhood. Find out why once discovered, Sawmill Valley is so hard to leave. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.